It's the alpinist cat call.
Newborn day and that still warm glow.
All right, Josh here with Tennessee Bavarian, and today we are back at South Cumberland State Park, but this time we're over in the Grundy State Natural Area. And today we're going to go down the Fiery Gizzard Trail, head out to Ravens Point, come back along the Dog Hole Trail, and swim at Sycamore Falls.
Daylight waiting to come relieve the night. So let it.
So one thing you gotta watch out for, Schlange. It's viele Schlange here.
I like snakes.
Yeah. We've got Bosty visiting from Bavaria.
Hey guys!
Over here we got the Fiery Gizzard Creek flowing down off the Cumberland Plateau.
Nothing left where the footprints stand. Roads ahead under scarlet sand. Twilight reaching like angels through the sky. Feel my moment and breathe it in. Search for skies that begin and end. Close my eyes so I can't see the light. So let it shine, 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 shine on me. Let it shine, 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 shine on me.
Dog Hole Trail.
So let it shine, 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 shine on me.
This is a cool little stretch. It's in a little ledge of rocks here.
Yeah, let it shine, shine, shine.
So this is my first time over here at Fiery Gizzard. I've never been here before.
Let it shine, 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 shine on me.
I'm telling you, I never go hiking without beef jerky. It's a great source of protein, quick little snack, waterproof bag that's zippable. It's a real pretty canyon down here. A lot of rocks. Real steep walls on either side. Beautiful southern Middle Tennessee, southern Cumberland Plateau scenery. I was telling Bosty a minute ago, what sucks over here is for every foot you go up right now, you have to regain it down river. It's just rolling up and down right now. And we're still going down. So even this little stairway here takes us back down.
Like an avalanche into your star.
I smell the distinct smell of marijuana. Well, I will say this trail is super, super rocky. And you have got to watch for these signs because it's easy if you're not paying attention and just looking down at the rocks, because you almost have to with every step. You could easily get off course in a couple of these spots. If my map reading skills are correct, this is the last low point on this trail for us. And then we should come up and start climbing out of here and go up towards Ravens Point. So we're about to start regaining all of this vertical. Vasa? Pine Vasa. Goes into the mountain. All right, we are breaking away from running along Fiery Gizzard at this point. We are now turning uphill up in this little draw. We continue our journey upward and onward. We're definitely gaining some elevation. These rocks are like really loose. So if you come out here, I recommend checking each rock before you commit, because a lot of them are real wobbly. Both Basti and I have stumbled over a couple that have rolled under our feet. So when I was looking at all trails, this is a very vertical way out. It's a climb to the top. We took a long, a long descent. We are 100% on the climb out now. There is no mistaking this elevation gain for anything else. We have made what I believe to be the hardest part of the ascent out of that canyon. Started to get some elevated views. But now we're gonna take a little half-mile spur out and back trail here to Ravens Point. Let's go. Half-mile detour out the out and back trail to Raven Point, well worth it. It was a great time out there. Met some really cool people out there. We took about a 10-minute rest, ate some food, drank some water. Now we're back out. We're gonna take this top trail. We're up here on top of the canyon now, up here on the plateau. The trail on the map looks like it's pretty flat. It looks like it's so far pretty good conditions. So here we go. All right, just past the Raven Point trailhead, we are at another intersection here for the Fiery Gizzard Trail, which is gonna go on down that way to Foster Falls. But we're gonna take the Dog Hole Trail that's gonna take us back along the plateau here, back to the falls, where we plan on swimming before we start our trek back to Nashville. Ready?
Ready.
Come on.
Let's go.
Sing out your wins and trials like a melody. Ride the storms with your head held high. We only breathe till the day we die.
This is kind of cool. There's a fence here, and there is a wedding venue set up over there. Not too bad of a trail. You don't trip on yourself.
Steel in your veins. Nothing can take you down.
Okay. All right. We are back at the trailhead for Dog Hole and Fiery Gizzard in the canyon. Oh, man.
See every finish line before you reach the start. Raise your fist to the sky. Lightning and mountaintops are made for you and I. Morning comes when the nightfall goes. Don't turn back to the road below. Bring on the fire, bring on the rain. Nothing can take you
That's nice, yeah. All right, all trails final time. We were 6 hours and 47 minutes on the trail. We moved 12.3 miles, and it says we gained 1,245 feet, which always changes. So don't forget to hit like and subscribe. See you next time.